Go-to stretch velvet hoodie with the bling ties. $37.99 on a clearance price, no reorder, not coming back. You can take this home for 3 easy payments of $12.66. It's A675834. Beautiful colors too. Here it is in wine. Next is that gorgeous teal. And then the color Angel has on is the black. We only have 200 left in the black, and that's extra, extra small to 5X. Love a hoodie. A big fan of a hoodie. Angel, this is named after you.
Yes.
Let's talk about
our
that.
Design team. So, you know, occasionally, the design team does not need my help at all. They've been doing this for a very long time.
Yes, but they like your opinion.
They like my opinion.
Course.
And I had...
You're connected to the ladies.
Yes. Yes, so I had this outfit that I loved, and I was like, we really should, you know, favor this and bring it in, especially in a month, you know, where December, where everybody has their holiday items already.
Yep.
This is like a gift to yourself kind of outfit, and the fabric is this glorious, sumptuous, delicious stretch velvet.
Yes.
It's a polyester spandex blend, so it has lots of nice stretch to it. The hoodie itself is a little bit longer.
Love it.
Side vents, a hood, side seam pockets. But what we did differently, I've never seen us do this before.
I haven't seen this on anything.
Can we come
I
on
know.
in.
This is called a close-up moment for sure, for sure.
Right?
Look at that.
Look at that gorgeous detail. And this is on the entire roping through the hood. Now, if you don't love bling, you could remove this, right? But it's just a little hint of bling. And it's not, you know, as Jean would say, a big honkin' snowman.
Right.
You know, it's delicate, it's beautiful, it's
I love
elegant.
it.
And you can see it here in Crystal.
I love it.
We had this at 2 a.m. this morning.
Yeah.
It was very popular.
Yep.
And Crystal is 5'3". She is wearing the size medium. And you can see how, even though this is a little longer,
yeah, it looks fine on her.
It's not overwhelming her at all. I love the teal. Nancy was wearing it in the teal. I was wearing it in the wine at 2 a.m. And I was like, you know what? I'm wearing this again.
I don't blame you.
Because it's my go-to.
I don't blame you. To get the hoodie with the pants on an easy pay, it's $28 and change for the whole outfit on an easy pay. So this is great. Traveling, I'm starting to think we're starting to, you know, it's the new year, holidays are done. We're starting to think about our spring trips or even our winter trips. A lot of us here know it's cold and we like to travel somewhere when it's warm, when it's a little colder out. This is going to be perfect for the car ride, for the airplane. It is great. Or just that Saturday where you're just running errands, running around with the kids and, you know, all the things that we do that are busy and you want to look comfortable, but you want to look good as well. This is a really nice top. So you can add it to, you know, your jeans, which I think is great. Any of your joggers, if you don't want to get the ones that match back, any of your joggers, this would be awesome with as well. But look at those nice pockets there. So this time of year, what's going in my pocket is a lip balm and a Kleenex.
Yes.
I keep them.
Wait.
Literally, see, look, Kleenex and yep. I mean, that's what we're doing. Yeah, Kleenex and it's that time of year, and then you have a hood, so you just never know when you're out. It is that time of year. You can get a mist of wind or rain or something where you feel like you want to put it on. At least you have it,
right? But
it does give you that cool girl look. So
it really is. And you know what? We used to do 2-piece sets for years and years and years. You know, then things got a little bit more expensive. Yeah. And what we learned from you is that not everyone is the same size
at the top and the bottom. That's right.
Bottom. So you get to customize. Like I went up a size. This is the 2X.
Okay.
Because I like it to be big and roomy, right? The 1X fits me fine.
Yep.
But I prefer the fit of the 2X, right?
Exactly.
And then I stick with my 1X on the jogger.
Perfect.
So you can customize how you want it to fit.
The length on the top, 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches long. You are saving over $22 off of this hoodie. It's on a clearance, so this is not coming back. It's your opportunity now to go ahead and pick this up. The fabric is great. It's easy to care for. You can machine wash it and tumble dry it there, so nothing special to take care of it. Just got to pick what color you want. Here it is in wine. Next is that gorgeous teal.
So pretty.
That's what we saw Crystal wearing. And then this is the color that Angel has on, that beautiful black. And I love the fact that it has that little bit of bling that, listen, it's Quacker Factory. You know, it has to have some bling somewhere.
Yes,
so
please.
I love that it's there on the ties. It's A675834. Now, if you love the hoodie, I always say, if we have a matching pant, just grab